In this video, we will show you how to create routes on a Garmin AQUAMAP. Select Nav Info, User Data, Routes, New. There are two ways to create a route. First, route using chart. Begin by setting a starting point. Then add turns. Finally, select Done to set the destination. Select Review to start navigation. Rename the route or edit turns. Second, route using waypoint list. The difference with method 1 is that the turns are selected from the established waypoint. Move the selection to the waypoint you want to use. Select Add Turn. Select waypoints in sequence according to your route direction. Select Done. Here, you can modify the turns. Select Done again. The route is created. Like what we showed in method 1, you can select the route for further options. Thank you for watching.